The gutting process continues. I'm starting to take the panels off the wall so I can get to wiring. I removed the old seats that were there, and also the frame that goes into the boot of the OKA. One thing I didn't expect to have to do was to replace the wooden flooring, but when I removed the lino I found out there were some parts that were rotted, or mouldy at least, and some parts that had sort of failed. So I was a bit worried that I wouldn't be able to replace it, but the wooden floor goes up to the edge of the framework, so all I have to do is unscrew it and bolt a new one in. And the discoloration here is not just dirt, there's a bit of mould in there as well. So I should be able to take it out because there's the edge where it goes up to the framework. Just a bit of hard work and money, I suppose. Major gutting continues. I've removed one section of the flooring which has given me access to the gearbox and the clutch and everything. So I've just sprayed that and got rid of a pile of grease and mud and dirt that's accumulated over the years. And it will also give me access to some wiring which is a little bit shonky.